Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove dollar sign from currency cells in Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my data in my Microsoft Excel, and as you can see, I have dollar sign in this B column, and I'm going to show you how we can remove this dollar sign from the column. If we want to remove the dollar sign, there are two methods we can try. The first method is changing the number format. You can select the B column like this, and then you can go to the number format, and you can select the general, or you can also select a number. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the dollar sign has been removed. Or you can also try this method. You can type in equal and type in a value, and then you can select the cell you want to remove the dollar sign from and just enter. Then you can autofill like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove dollar sign from currency cells in Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.